Innovative Security Manager is an integrated task and incident management solution for optimizing security and operations. ISM lets you manage all types of tasks, from security operations to general maintenance, as well as responding to any kind of alarm, from fire alarms to faulty refrigerators. All this using a single integrated platform. This video will show some of the many benefits which Innovative Security Manager has to offer. Innovative Security Manager forms the backbone of operation centers, which receive and manage alarms and tasks for security and operations. From the operations center, the dispatcher can quickly assign any alarm or task to any kind of personnel. At their end, personnel can quickly report any findings which require further attention. In case of an incident, Innovative Security Manager presents the dispatcher with the most suitable options based on a wide range of parameters. Track and communicate with personnel in real time on the interactive map, even on different floors inside buildings. The Universal Video module can show live or recorded video from any kind of video management system. Create, schedule, and assign all kinds of tasks. Monitor task progress in real time on the map. As a completely digital system, all events are automatically logged and can easily be exported for analysis and reporting. Reports can be submitted to the applicable authorities for further analysis, optimization, and much more. These are just some of the many ways you can use Innovative Security Manager to optimize your security and operations while reducing costs. ISM is already being used for keeping track, staying cool, providing security, inspecting buildings, securing homes, providing public safety, and managing public emergencies. Our customers come from different industries, but they all have one thing in common. They all want increased efficiency and better security while keeping expenses at a reasonable level. Innovative Security Manager helps you get the most out of your existing resources by managing, tracking, and logging all incidents. That means improved security and efficiency at a lower cost. Innovative Security Manager. Integrated task and incident management.